And the race is on Escapo. From the outside, Preciosa rushing up is one Bahamas. Hot Gossip alongside Honor Rush. War Alert second last. Golden Arasi is running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader. One Bahamas by about 3 lengths, followed by Honor Rush in second. Hot Gossip racing on the outside. Preciosa down on the inside. Rushing up in between runners is War Alert. And on the further outside, Escapo, Golden Arasi. Entering the far turn, one Bahamas by about 2 lengths. Honor Rush in second. At Gossip, War Alert down on the inside, and Preciosa. As they raise the last 500, one Bahamas, Honor Rush on the outside, Hot Gossip, War Alert. And still one Bahamas, 3 and 50 to trouble. One Bahamas, War Alert, moving up by the Honor Rush and racing on the outside, Hot Gossip, Preciosa. War Alert by about 2 lengths, followed now by Golden Arasi. Entering the finish line, number 3. War Alert, Golden Arasi, Honor Rush, one Bahamas, Hot Gossip, Preciosa, and Escapo comes last.
3462 yan ah.